Hi guys, welcome to BioXplaining. This is the sixth part of our revision series for ICSE Class 10, where we are revising the whole biology syllabus through name the following questions. Let's get started. Okay, get started with the first set of questions. Let's check the answers. 101. The source of carbon dioxide for aquatic plants. It is the dissolved CO2 present in water. Say there are a lot of aquatic animals that are present. So those animals will breathe out carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide also gets dissolved in water. So the overall CO2 in water is the source of CO2 for the aquatic plants. The fibers which collectively hold the eye lens in position, it is the suspensory ligaments. Then the structure in a leaf that allows guttation, these are the hydathodes, right? So basically, what are the hydathodes? Say if this is, just for instance, say if this is a leaf that's present, right? So on the margin of the leaves, these hydathodes are present. So that is why early in the mornings on chilly nights, what we get, in winters, we usually get to see that there are water droplets that are present on the margin of the leaves. So that phenomena is guttation, and the structures through which guttation occurs, those are known as the hydathodes. Blood vessel that carries blood from the kidney to the posterior vena cava. It is the renal vein. So related to the kidney, anything related to the kidney is renal, and it is carrying blood from the kidney. So it's the renal vein. Foreign substances that induce antibody production in the body. These are antigens, right? The antibodies will be working against the antigens in order to kill them. The next set of questions are on the screen. Well, so time to check the answers. The process by which fallopian tubes are ligated, it is tubectomy. So it's basically fallopian tubes are cut and ligated. It's known as tubectomy. Pigment present in the cone cells of retina, it is iodopsin. So iodopsin is the pigment present in the cone cells, and these are the cells that give daylight vision or color vision to our eyes. The type of allele that is not expressed in the presence of a contrasting allele. So this is the recessive allele, right? Just for instance, say we have capital T and small t, wherein capital T is the allele for tallness, and say small t is the allele for say a plant to be dwarf, right? So capital T being present, small t will never be expressed. The only time where small t will be expressed is in case of a condition where it is homozygous recessive, right? So only when both are the recessive alleles present together, this trait will get expressed. Next, the pressure due to which water can rise up to only a few feet in a plant. It is the root pressure. That is the pressure with which the root pushes the water upwards to some distance. The site of sperm production, this is the seminiferous tubules that are present inside the lobules of the testis. The next set of questions are as follows. Okay, so time for us to check the answers. The tubular knot fitting like a cap on the upper surface of the testis is the epididymis. This is the site where there will be the storage and the maturation of sperms. So storage and maturation of sperms occur in this site. Okay. Next, the phase of the menstrual cycle following the menstrual phase is the follicular phase. The phase of the menstrual cycle preceding, that is before the luteal phase, is the ovulation phase, or it can also be called the ovulatory phase. So this is approximately the 14th day of the cycle. Then membranous sac serving as the reservoir of urine is the urinary bladder, a substance which is a raw material as well as an end product of photosynthesis. So that is water, H2O. The next set of questions are as follows. Okay, let's check the answers. Capacity of the eye to focus at different distances. It is known as the power of accommodation. Okay. Next, loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts is known as transpiration. Then, the blood vessel that carries blood from the aorta to the liver is the hepatic artery. So, anything related to the liver is hepatic, and it is the blood vessel carrying blood from aorta to liver. So, it is basically carrying oxygenated blood. Right? So this is the hepatic artery. Protective covering of the heart is the pericardium. Then the number of people living per square kilometer at any given time is known as population density. I hope it is clear for all. Well, so if you think that this has been useful for you regarding your practice for the upcoming board examination, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel BioXplaining. And yes, stay tuned for the next part. Thank you.